Hi everyone, welcome to 147th episode of Campus This Week. I'm RJ Manika of Mass Communication and Journalism Department, Siliguri, 6th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by Lead Academy, Bangalore and Guwahati. New leadership in a new era. The headlines this week. 11 colleges, 230 students rock Technokrat 2024. Merging academic fervour with adventure. Lecture keeps alive memory of deceased faculty. Annual sports held with day-long events. History department holds hands on tool exhibition. Former commanding officer interacts with NCC Cadets. BCom students go on industry visit. The news in detail. Siliguri. 11 colleges, 230 students rock Technokrat 2024. Pratyusha Sinha Roy of Mass Communication and Journalism 6th semester reports.
On the 9th of February 2024, Techni Association and the Deanery of Sciences, Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri organized the 8th edition of the biggest tech fest of North Bengal, Technokrat 2024. The 12 events of the day included AI design, B-plan, code chef, debate, potpourri, quizomania, treasure hunt and gaming in 3 categories, MLBB, BGMI and Valorant. All the events were held offline in 3 venues except Battlegrounds Mobile India, which was held online. All the events were based on SEM subjects, that is computer, economics, mathematics and physics. The winners were awarded with certificates, medals and cash prizes. The total prize pool was INR 25,000. The event was a total banger with more than 230 students from 11 colleges of North Bengal participating. The events were designed and managed by students.
Pratyusha Sinha Roy reporting. Siliguri. Lecture held on merging academic fervour with adventure. Tissa Sen of Mass Communication and Journalism Department 4th semester reports.
The Department of Education orchestrated a captivating event merging academic fervour with adventure. After the introductory rituals by Vice Principal and Rector, Anita Mardi introduced the speaker and his educational journey, emblematic of resilience and dedication. The session soared to new heights with distinguished speaker Santanu Roy's captivating tales of adventure as he ventured through the unknown roads of Mongolia and living their culture. He highlighted how planning and executing travel expeditions cultivate critical thinking, problem solving and adaptability, skills essential in education. The ensuing question and answer session ignited lively exchanges, fueling a collective thirst for knowledge. Bursar Father Jagjeevan Tirke's closing remarks urged attendees to embrace learning beyond traditional boundaries. Varsha Gurung's heartfelt vote of thanks encapsulated appreciation for the profound insights gained. Throughout the event, Surabhi Chamling Rai skillfully steered the proceedings, ensuring seamless transitions and vibrant engagement.
Tissa Sen reporting. Siliguri. Lecture keeps alive memory of deceased faculty. Purnima Limbu of Mass Communication and Journalism 6th semester reports.
Salesian College held a memorial lecture to remember and honor the life of late Assistant Professor Dept Das of Mass Communication and Journalism Department on 6 February 2024. BA 4th semester student Tissa Sen anchored the program, followed by words from Rector Father Dr. Tommy Augustine. Dean of Arts Mr. Ravi Bhushan Singh shared his experience with Sir Dept and talked about how the deceased, a mainstream journalist, had discovered his passion to become a teacher. The main speaker was Salesian College Siliguri Mass Communication and Journalism Department Assistant Professor Irfan E. Azam, who made a presentation on career in mass communication. The presentation concluded with a question and answer session in which several students queried about the future of journalism. The program concluded with vote of thanks by HOD Assistant Professor Bhavya Khatia.
Purnima Limbu reporting. Siliguri. Annual sports held with day-long events. Debangshi Mishra of Mass Communication and Journalism 4th semester reports.
Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri commenced its annual sports meet on 10th February 2024 at the college stadium with a guard of honor by NCC Cadets followed by the flag hosting ceremony and national anthem. After a brief drill by NCC Cadets, Vice Principal of Arts and Humanities Father Dr. Saju Puttasari conducted the athletes' oath-taking ceremony. Finals including 100 meter, 200 meter, 400 meter and 800 meter races as well as long jump, high jump, discus throw and javelin throw enthralled the participants and audience. As jumps and throw events were completed earlier, exciting fun sports competition like tunnel ball, relay race, tug of war, musical chair generated much enthusiasm. The Deanery of Arts and Humanities emerged as the overall winners with 798 points, concluding the program on a high note.
Debangshi Mishra reporting. Siliguri. History Department holds hands-on tool exhibition. Shreyan Thakuri of the Department of History 6th semester reports.
The History Department organized an engaging hands-on tools, a history exhibition on 6th February 2024 in the Don Bosco Quadrangle. The proceedings were graced by the presence and good wishes from Father Rector and 2 Vice Principals, as well as the Deans of Arts and Humanities and Social Sciences. A joint cutting of the ribbon inaugurated the exhibition, showcasing a diverse array of artifacts spanning the Harappan civilization, religious and non-religious monuments, coins, North Bengal's cultural treasures, inscriptions, Mughal farmans, and Neolithic tools. The primary objective of putting together the exhibition was to contribute to the preservation of cultural heritage by displaying paintings, sculpture, and artifacts that establish a tangible connection to history. The students from the History Department engaged with the visitors, providing insightful explanations about the exhibits.
Shreyan Thakuri reporting. Siliguri. Former commanding officer interacts with NCC cadets. Pritha of Mass Communication and Journalism 4th semester reports.
The former NCC commanding officer Colonel Barlaj Gurum visited Salesian College Siliguri Cadets on 5th February 2024. Salesian College ANO Lieutenant Risha Chetri welcomed the commanding officer and felicitated him. Beside NCC cadets of college, present at the event were former NCC cadets of Salesian College Siliguri, CMS Aditya Singh, who has cleared FCAT, Air Force Common Admission Test, CDS, Combined Defense Service, and NCC Special Entry, was also felicitated by Risha Chetri. During the interactive session with cadets, the colonel shared his career path in the army and answered queries.
Pritha reporting. Siliguri. BCom students go on industry visit. Kumkum Sharma of BCom Program Section A 4th semester reports.
The students of Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri were sent on an industrial trip to the Pran factory in Mahanbeta in Jalpaiguri on 2nd of February 2024. The students were accompanied by 2 faculty members, Sir Rachit Pradhan and Ms. Pooja Sharma. There, firstly, the manager of the Pran factory, Mrs. Monica Giri, was honored with a khada. Thereafter, the students were given a detail of the Pran products, its branches, and also about how the special snacks and ethnic snacks are made by all different machines. They were also showed how the products are packed and are stored. Before the students left, the manager was given a token of appreciation by the faculty member of the college.
Kumkum Sharma reporting. That's all for now from all of us at Radio Salesian. This show was brought to you by Lead Academy, Bangalore and Guwahati. New leadership in a new era. Thank you for being with us. Enjoy the rest of your day.